Be 2 weeks ready. Preparing to prepare. Activity 4. Follow along on Toolkit, page 43.
Activity 4. Practice mindfulness to build preparedness. Goal. Build preparedness by creating inner calm. Feeling safe is especially challenging during uncertain times, including immediately after a disaster when your normal daily living has been significantly interrupted. Increasing your inner calm can help create a safe place within yourself. Being prepared brings greater peace of mind and thereby contributes to your inner calm. Practicing mindfulness is a free, portable way to increase your inner calm. Mindfulness means being fully present, aware of where you are and what you are doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around you. Being mindful can help you walk through both good times and bad, including during a disaster. Mindfulness can build preparedness. Try the mindfulness tips below to ease your stress on the spot. Mindfulness tips. How to ease your stress on the spot. S. Stop. Interrupt your thoughts with the prompt stop and pause whatever you are doing in that moment. T. Take a breath. Notice your breathing for a second. Breathe in slowly through the nose, expand your belly, and exhale slowly through your nose. O. Observe. Notice your thoughts, feelings, and even bodily responses. What thoughts do you notice? What emotions arise? How does your body feel? Try to sit with whatever you find without judgment for a few moments. P. Proceed. Thoughtfully consider how you'd like to respond. What's one thing you can focus on right now? What's your number one priority at this moment? Narrow down your focus and take it one small step at a time. You got this.